Hey guys, what's going on? This is Riello, and we are here to talk about the Elegoo Mars Resin 3D printer and some issues. I've only had this one for a little while, but one of the first things I ran into was the unknown file format issue. Whereas if you go, let's see, like with this, I got some STL files because this is my mini factory edition, so it came with some files on the stick. I've tried to do a few others, but notice these say stl.stl files. If you try to print these, it'll give you a little thing, printing done, and then it actually starts to come up, and then you have to turn the whole printer off, otherwise the arm lifts up, even lifts the case up. So you can't use those files. And when I got a hold of my mini factory, they said you have to change these files over to the CDBLL, I think, or CBDLL files, but that will not work with the Elegoo Mars Pro. The Elegoo Mars Pro, you are going to need, what clued me in was I went to the Rook, the model Rook that comes with it, and notice there is actually a little picture here of the Rook, and it is a .ctb file. This stands for ChituBox. You have to actually, unfortunately, go into ChituBox, which I'll show you here in a minute, and you have to slice your files through ChituBox to get them to work with the Pro. Like, say, for instance, we go back to one of these files. You notice how there's no picture here, no nothing. So that means that's already going to tell you right away that it's not going to work. Whereas if you go to the Rook, you see it comes up. So let's go turn one of these files that we've got into a CTB file that will print. Alright, so here in ChituBox, as you guys can see up in the upper left hand corner, this is ChituBox version 1.6.4.3 beta. As of today, June 24th, 2020, this is the latest version, and you want to make sure that you have the latest version of ChituBox. So this is the lion from our card that you guys saw earlier. As you can see, this is an STL object file, CBDDLPs, ChituBox, whatever. None of those file types, unfortunately, will work with the Mars Pro. So with the Mars Pro, you have to bring it in a ChituBox. If you want to use other slicers, that's fine. Just go do your supports and all that stuff in another slicer, whatever you prefer. Then bring it into ChituBox, and you have to have ChituBox slice it with the Mars Pro. So be sure that this is a Mars Pro problem. So when you go to slice, it's going to do its work. I'm not worried about, supports or any of that stuff because this isn't a tutorial on those. We're just going over the file type. You're going to want to be sure you go over here to save. So we have the lion here. You want to save here. Now you'll see it is ChituBox slicer .ctb. .ctb is exactly the file type that we want. So we've already saved it here. So save it to your card. Now we will go back to the printer and see how it works. Alright guys, we are back at the printer. We've got our stick in. Let's go ahead and hit this. As you can see, we got the lion up right here. Oops. This is the models offered by my mini factory. So now you can see the lion STL, how it's just a file. There's nothing in there, doesn't do anything. You'll know you got the right file though because you will see CTB. You'll also see this nice little preview. So you will get a preview of the file. So if you can see these things, then you know you're on the right track. So instead of this coming down, I don't have any resin in there at this exact moment, but you'll know you're in business when you can see the layers. And then once it actually starts, I'm going to stop it here in a second so it doesn't go down, but you'll actually see it'll go down to the resin and it will start playing, or printing rather. So there you go guys. I had this problem, kept me from printing out some models for quite a few days. I couldn't find too much online about it, So I just kind of had to dig around, and like I said, that rook file was my hint on what wasn't working. So just get ChituBox, take your files into it, slice them up for this .ctb files. Make sure it's a CTB if you have a Mars Pro. This is a Mars Pro problem, remember. And good luck with your prints, guys. If there are any other issues that you guys have had with file types, feel free to throw them down into the comments. That way, you know, we can share information, anyone else's problems, anyone else's solutions. You know, someone else might have a solution to your problem. We can use this as a forum of information, so feel free to drop all of your solutions you find or issues you have down below for file types, and we can help each other out, guys. So, appreciate you watching, and remember, as far as like subs, all that, that's you guys. What we do ask for around here, though, is if it's within your means, consider adopting or rescuing an animal. ASPCA.org, petfinder.com. You can also Google your local animal rescue and adoption options near you. If you can't bring an animal home with you due to allergies, living conditions, what have you, there's other ways you can help out those animals, such as donating to your local shelters, donating your time, money, maybe some supplies. I'm sure they've got something you need. So, plenty of ways to help animals out, plenty of ways to show your care, and show you love. Speaking of love, I love you guys, and remember, buy your fun, not your fam. Adopt, don't shop. We'll see you next time, guys. Bye-bye.